Welcome to Lesson 3 of Tarot for Beginners. If you're using the downloadable workbook, we're working through pages 6 to 8. Feel free to pause here and grab it from the description. By the end of Lesson 3, you'll understand how the 4 suits reflect the elements of everyday life, how the numbered cards follow a natural cycle from 1 to 10, and how the court cards show different expressions of each suit's energy. Now that you have a handle on the major arcana, let's explore the minor arcana and see how they bring everyday experiences into the mix. It helps to navigate meanings by understanding what the suits represent. The minor arcana is divided into 4 suits, and each suit has a unique theme and energy. Cups represent water, emotions, and relationships. Cups guide us through our emotional and spiritual connections. Wands symbolize fire, passion, and creativity. Wands drive us to act on our passions and pursue our goals. Swords correspond to air, thoughts, and challenges. Swords help us face challenges and seek clarity. Pentacles connect to earth, material aspects, and stability. Pentacles ground us in the practical, focusing on work, health, and finances. The numbered cards in each suit follow a journey from 1 to 10, much like stages in a story. Aces, ones, new beginnings and opportunities. Twos, balancing or making choices. Threes, collaboration and growth. Fours, stability or rest. Fives, conflict or change. Sixes, recovery or generosity. Sevens, reflection and perseverance. Eights, movement and progress. Nines, fulfillment and introspection. Tens, completion and the start of a new cycle. For example, we just discovered that 3s symbolize growth, collaboration, and the first signs of progress. The 3 of Cups celebrates emotional growth through friendship and shared joy. The 3 of Wands highlights expansion and the momentum of new opportunities. In contrast, the 3 of Swords reflects emotional growth through the pain of heartbreak or tough truths. Finally, the 3 of Pentacles emphasizes teamwork and practical collaboration, showing how combined efforts can lay the foundation for success. Each suit also includes 4 court cards. Page, new opportunities or a youthful, curious energy. Knight, action and pursuit of goals. Queen, mastery of the suit's energy in an intuitive, nurturing way. King, mastery with authority and control. For example, the Page of Wands might encourage exploring new creative ideas, while the King of Swords symbolizes intellectual authority and clear decision-making. At first, the minor arcana may feel like a lot to remember, but by focusing on the suits and the number patterns, you'll gradually see how they connect, and it will become easier. When starting out, try to have a guidebook handy, but over time, you will begin making those connections between numbers, suits, and elements, and it will become very intuitive. Before you move on, you can download a free 14-page tarot meanings guide in the description. It includes quick meanings for all 78 cards, plus hints for interpreting symbols, colors, and imagery.